Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to change your Wi-Fi password using your laptop. Let's get started. First, make sure that your laptop is connected to your Wi-Fi network. Now, open any browser like Chrome or Edge. Then here in the address bar, type your router's IP address. The most common ones are 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.01. Then press enter, and this will open your router's login page. Enter your username and password, and if you haven't changed it before, you can usually find the default login details at the back of your router. Once you're logged in, look for a wireless settings or Wi-Fi settings in the menu. Here, you'll find an option for SSID or Wi-Fi password. Click on it and type your new password. Make sure that it's strong and use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. And after entering your new password, click Save and Apply. Your router may restart and you'll need to reconnect to your laptop or other devices with a new password. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Wi-Fi password using your laptop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.